What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best engine oil on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5. Motor oil is made from crude oil and is used to lubricate, clean, and cool engines. Types of motor oil include conventional, synthetic, diesel, bio-based, hybrid blends of conventional and synthetic, and recycled oils. Motor oil varies in weight and viscosity, as well as additives that some manufacturers add to the oil during the refining process. A numerical code system created by the Society of Automotive Engineers grades motor oils according to viscosity. The higher the number between 0 and 60, the more viscous, thicker the oil is. Most consumer motor oils are graded by 2 numbers, with the first number indicating cold weather, winter, or wheat performance. 5 to 30. This oil has a weight of 5 thou 30, meaning it has an viscosity rating of 5 in cold temperatures and a rating of 30 at normal operating temperature. Always check your vehicle's owner's manual to verify that this is the correct weight of motor oil for your vehicle. Full synthetic oil. This oil is a full synthetic oil, meaning crude oil is not used in making it. Synthetic oil can be used in vehicle engines instead of motor oils refined from crude oil, and often provides superior mechanical performance over traditional motor oil, including increased gas mileage and reduced engine wear at extreme temperatures. Its complex method of production means it can often cost more than conventional motor oil. In our list, the number 4 product name is Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic 5U30 Motor Oil. Today's advanced engine technology requires advanced protection. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic 5U30, the motor oil specially designed to protect today's sophisticated engines. Our exclusive mixture contains advanced anti-wear additives, superior antioxidants, and extra detergents. It protects 40 better against wear, resists oil breakdown 10 times better, and defends 25 more against deposits than industry standards for maximum performance and engine longevity. And with an exceptional range of temperature protection, it ensures your engine will be prepared for any rough weather and road conditions. Engineered with ingenuity, tested with tenacity, and proven with purpose, our formula was innovated in America with a century and a half of hands-on experience from the original motor oil brand. In our list, the number 3 product name is Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5. If you trust your vehicle to be there for you, you need to be there for its engine with Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5U30. Ultimate Full Synthetic Motor Oil meets or exceeds the industry's toughest standards to help you get the most from your engine for up to 20,000 miles between oil changes. Guaranteed. Mobil 1 Extended Performance utilizes Mobil 1's triple action formula to combine outstanding engine performance, protection, and cleanliness with the added benefit of maximized engine power. Specialty components in synthetic oil reduce friction, helping to prevent and remove sludge buildup in just one oil change. This technologically advanced formulation provides 20x better internal engine heat protection than industry standards, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as excellent low-temperature protection, 40 degrees Fahrenheit, bringing quick cold weather starting and ultra-fast protection to your engine. Mobil 1 Extended Performance meets ILSAC GF6 standards to help provide low-speed pre-ignition and timing chain wear protection while keeping your engine clean and helping to improve your fuel economy. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W also helps control oxidation to prevent oil breakdown. This cutting-edge formula is recommended by ExxonMobil for all types of modern vehicles, including high-performance, turbocharged, and supercharged gasoline and diesel multi-valve fuel-injected engines found in passenger cars, SUVs, light vans, and light trucks. Mobil 1 is America's one synthetic motor oil brand at retail, trusted and recommended by car builders and experienced mechanics, and is the official motor oil of NASCAR. Protects for up to 20,000 miles or 1 year, whichever comes first. To learn more about the Mobil 1 limited warranty, visit mobil.us, based on CQI-TRVIA's industry limits. In our list, the number 2 product name is Valvoline Daily Protection 5W30 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil. If you want your engine to perform at its best every day, you need to make sure it has the best protection every day. Valvoline Daily Protection Synthetic Blend is designed to protect your motor day in and day out against the 4 major causes of engine breakdown: wear, friction, heat, and deposits. Our exclusive formulation reduces the need for expensive repairs while optimizing fuel efficiency to keep your vehicle on the road longer. Its low-friction technology prevents parts from touching, while an advanced detergent system cleans the interior of your engine and fights the formation of deposits. With a higher degree of viscosity, retention, and integrity, it provides optimal protection mile and mile, even when the weather and roads are at their most demanding. Engineered with ingenuity, tested with tenacity, and proven with purpose, our formula was innovated in America with 1.5 centuries of hands-on experience from the original motor oil brand. Keep your engine protected and running its best every day with Valvoline Daily Protection Synthetic Blend. In our list, the number 1 product name is Valvoline 4-Stroke Motorcycle Full Synthetic SAE 1040 Motor Oil. Valvoline 4-Stroke Motorcycle SAE 10140 Full Synthetic Motor Oil provides the ultimate wet clutch, transmission, and engine protection for high-performance 4-stroke motorcycles, cruisers, and off-road bikes. Our anti-friction formulation is specifically designed for the extreme temperatures and high RPMs of 4-stroke motorcycles, meeting or exceeding all specifications set by the Japanese Automotive Standards Organization and the American Petroleum. It provides outstanding wet clutch protection and helps prevent slippage to ensure smooth shifting and optimal power transfer, while advanced additives safeguard against deposits, corrosion, and oil thickening that can decrease performance and longevity. No wonder motorcycle owners and race teams around the world rely on Valvoline, the trusted motor oil brand, for over 150 years.